Hi everyone, this is Candice Buiso, and you are on our new show, a podcast that enjoy Jolo, the pandemic. Guys, we'll be talking about romance, Jolo, the challenges that come with it. We're gonna be talking about some situationship. Sizobe sivula nje direct situationship namhlanje. Angihambi ngedwa-ke, ngihamba nobhuti uThando wakwaDube, hambe nosisi uNanzile wakwaKhumalo. We're gonna be actually tackling the problems that we are facing as in South Africa. All know ukuthi bakwethu, we face a lot of things when it comes to love. For me, honestly, I don't know whether this thing is still there. Lento ekuthiwa uthando or mhlampe angisho wena Thando. Ngisho ukuthi like uthando lwangempela lisasekhona or mhlampe nje sesiyazikhohlisa. Or maybe there are still genuine guys who actually have genuine hearts, who have pure intentions, or mhlampe nje sesiyadlalana sonke ngoba sonke siphukile. Before I go any further, let me welcome uThando Dube. Welcome abhuti.
Sanibonani wonke umuntu. Candice, siyabonga nje.
Ninjani?
Sikhona singabuza nina. Nawe Nanzile, ngiyabonga nje ukunikela lo msuzo lokuthi ngibe ku podcast le. Kuningi esokhuluma khona.
Siyabonga bhuti, ngikuwelcome nawe sisi Nanzile.
Hi guys, I hope nikahle emakhaya. Hey, ngathi izobande le ndaba. And ke into ngeza ngibe curious. Yabona mina ngisasekuleya edge. Ukuthi ahlahla ngayiphula inhliziyo. Hlezi ngizwa abantu bethi, "Hey, kunzima kwamjola." But I always see futhi nema stories ukuthi kahle hey ayisekho indaba yethu those days. Even if you try to find love, is either ujola nomuntu or wakugila ama situationship, am friends with benefits, ayikho nje into straight.
And yazi on that point oyisho Nanzile ukuthi yazi sijola nabantu babantu singazi. Have you ever discover ukuthi like uzitshela ukuthi when we main chick and you're not even a side chick, bro. Like you are nothing, bro. You're actually, I don't know. You're actually a situation. That's why we're actually talking about this. I mean, it's too far from where you are. You're not even at the door. You're not at the gate. You're by the corner, bro. Like you're waiting for the taxi to take you somewhere else. So uyabona izinto ezikanje abantu have committed their lives. We are seeing izinto ezenjakala these days ukuthi abantu they are actually killing each other. Ngendaba zothando. Ungabi neqiniso. Others are discovering ukuthi hey ingane abayitshela ukuthi ezaba kuzona ezabo. Umuntu ahamba ayolobola kanti makafika le athola ukuthi cha no umuntu nje uziphilele yakhe impilo nje kuhlukile konke lokho bekakucabanga ngaye.
Mfethu, did you see the video that came out ekalobaba ohamba wayolobola intombazane say virgin wazofind out sekaloba uthi mother of 3?
Yo just imagine.
Ngiyelibuza nonke. Ma usengena ku relationship manje ucabanga ukuthi uyamani uyonongena nje.
Good question.
Umbuzo oqala ma usengena ku relationship ucabanga
I mean ngo 2026.
Kodwa ke guys ikhona lento ethi you find the one. Angithi ngiyastuduza. Kahle ikhona lento ngaphansi kwakho ukuthi nami ngiyafisa ukuthandwa yabona.
Ufisa ukuthandwa.
Yeah, ubheka abazali bakho like I wish I could find someone ongamphatha like the way abantu bephathana ngakhona.
Do you know ukuthi kuma relationship okwamanje ukuthi abantu baphukile enhlizweni?
Yeah.
Umuntu ngifuna ukutshela something nge-life. Angifuni ukujika, ngiyeceleni ngifuna ukutshela straight.
Woza nazo.
Uyabona umuntu manje unama experience yakhe. Kunabantu abasuke bamphula inhliziyo, ne? Ma bemphulela inhliziyo lapha. Uyasuka athi yazini, uNkulunkulu wami bengicela, akhula athi uNkulunkulu bengicela umuntu ozonithanda. Yazi uNkulunkulu enzeni? Akuvulela athi nangu umuntu ozokuthanda. Umtholile umuntu lona okuthandayo. Umuntu lona soyambona ukuthi umuntu uyanithanda. Wenzani ke manje? Uthatha advantage.
True.
Sofuna ukukhomba abantu ukuthi lo ngwami lo akunalapha yakhona. Wenzani ke manje? Usofuna ukuthi into lezi ababekwenza zona way back ngabantu laba abakuphula inhliziyo. Sofuna ukunjani? Sofuna ukuthwalisa umuntu lo othandana naye manje okuphatha kahle.
Hayibo.
Yeah, that's very true.
Ngifela izona zigama ex akho.
Yeah, cause manje uthatha advantage la umuntu lo uthando membuzitholela uthando. Uthando uyakuthanda. Ne? Awuthando uyanithanda ngempela anguye la yimi la.
The one.
Yeah, ne. Usufuna ukwenza into lana ababekwenza yona. Ufuna experiment kahle ukuthi okay mawumlo mangamenza kanje uzohamba.
So now this is where a healing part comes in. Guys,
Yeah.
do not go and approach anyone ongakahili. Guys,
Yeah.
when you go through a breakup, fine, uphuke, heal first, find yourself, learn to love yourself first, because I've been in a situation whereby breakup go through yona, it actually made me lose the self-confidence, ngaba nenkinga ye-self-esteem. Kwamele ukuthi ngiqale ngizirevive mina myself and get to love myself again before I could actually say I love the next person. Because don't forget ukuthi uthando liqala kuwe.
Yes.
You cannot give me what you don't have. You understand? If you don't have that love within yourself, then you cannot give it to me. You understand? And firstly, you cannot be happy, and then nobody can make you happy if you are not happy when you're within yourself. You cannot make the next person happy if when you are not happy. So it starts with that. Ubona sekunama pandemic. It's because of people don't want to heal. They heal. Bazitshela ukuthi bahila ngabanye abantu.
That's
For me to forget about you, now I have to ukuthi cha ithi ngijole nalo ukuthi ngikhohlwe ngalo. In the meantime, I'm making this person slim. Ngaleso sikhathi yena sekayangithanda. Ngaleso sikhathi mina bengimbona nje njengomuntu engifuna ukukhohlwa umuntu I actually love.
Omunye uyazi ufuna ukwenza nokunye. Ukutshela something into ongayazi. Bakuphulile ne?
Yeah.
Ujampela kunes relationship maybe uthola uthando nomuntu uthola uCandice noma uNandisi. Next week ne. Uthando maybe or uNanzile uphethe kahle. Maybe 2 weeks or 5 months upholile ne. So upholile ke manje so right. So ufuna ukwenzani ke manje?
Revenge.
That's it. So ufuna ukuya ngaphandle ke. Because upholile ke manje. So khohle uNanzile ukuthi uNanzile aze ku 4 months 5 months ebemphethe kahle uNanzile. So ufuna ukwenzani? So ufuna ukwenza into le babeyokwenza yona.
Actually, while we're on that, ngicela ukubuza kahle kahle ukuthi what causes men to go out there bayocheater, and what also causes abafazi, it's not only men abacheater, abafazi ukuthi to go out there ayocheater, and in that situation umuntu uphethwe kahle.
No, that's a good question, right? And also there's answers for that. Guys, remember to subscribe and follow us on Facebook on Ikhono Podcast. Remember to follow us. We want to hear your comments. Ukuthi nani sinisitshela ukuthi nina wena ama experiences bewathini. You know, Nanzile, based on what you are saying right now. Listen, lento esho ukuthi abantu ba happy uthola umuntu omthandayo ofodumele bese still aphume. Listen, this thing, it's what Thando is saying right now. Listen, there is nothing that can trigger you to be the person that you are. When, as a person, njengomfazi waloyo baba ochitayo, you may blame yourself all you like, but lento lena iguye this guy. Yeah, understand? It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with awumanga kahle, you're not well shaped, or you're not well mannered, or mhlampe nasembedeni you're not doing the right thing. But the thing is, into iguwe sis. And if you've not healed, so that you can be able to love somebody else, listen, it won't change. And it's very dangerous to get ukuthandana nomuntu ongaleyo ndlela. Yeah, understand?
And the thing is, this person is like this.
Yeah,
that person can even get married to you. Ahambe khaya ukhiphela ilobola, white wedding, yonke into my honeymoon. Then soon after about 2 years, the person goes out.
Exactly.
Yazi ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi njengamanje sihleli ne unchithele. Thina as thina amadoda sengikutshela enye secret amadoda.
Wozana.
Thina amadoda sengikutshela thina.
Sulisi team manje.
Thina amadoda. Thina amadoda ne. Yazi ukuthi angeke ngikhohle ukuthi wena as umuntu ongwami ukuthi ungiphethe njani. From day one mangiqala ukujola nawe. Till maybe ngiqala nginawe, like for example maybe angina next. Ne. Umphathe ngendlela like ubumphatha ngayo ne. Maybe as time goes on, maybe lamhlanje yovuka ungase right ne umphatha kabi, angeke ngiyakhona ukuthi ngingaconfront, ngiyathola ngithi dwi.
Why?
Ngisakutshela amadoda thina azithanda ukuthi sinjani sikhalele emphakathini, like kubona ukuthi ngempela umuntu lo yakhala lo, ngiyathola ngithi du.
So you go out there uyothola amanye ama-shoulder to cry on.
That's it. You know why? That's why. Ngiyothola a shoulder to cry ne. Thola ukuthi umuntu wami uzonjani, uzomphatha kahle, yazi angenzele yonke into engiyifunayo.
Sure.
Angenzele yonke into engiyifunayo. Ne. Angenzele yonke into engiyifunayo. Sharp. Senzani? Mangibuya kuwe le uyofika umphatha maybe uzonthuka, uzokuyazi uzomphathisa stress. Ufuna ngenzeni?
Communicate. Yabona why ngithi amadoda ashisa kusale thina zodwa emhlabeni? This Communicate.
Guys, can I say something based on my experience when it comes to what Tando is talking about? Now Tando is giving us a reason why guys do the
Cheat.
nonsense that they do.
Yeah.
Listen, there's no reason for a cheater to cheat.
Yeah.
If you're a bastard, you're a bastard, and there's
Okay.
nothing we can do to change you.
Mm-hmm.
It's like when a guy beats a woman, uyabona into ongenzisa yona, like really now? There is no reason, Tando, that you're going to give me that will make me understand why guys cheat. You understand? It's just it's in you. If ever we sorry to say that. If we mawudoti womuntu
because isikhathi umfazi akazwisisi.
sisasesemadodeni lezwa ngisashaya kini ngiyeze bafazini nathi we are not perfect. Ngisashaya nina you do things and give us all the reasons and then so that you can manipulate the things and then kube ngathi nina yina ama-victims.
And remember,
And it doesn't work like that, son. If you love a person, and that's why we have lost the aura of love a long time ago. Now we've got all the reasons ukuthi uthando lungahambi kahle, and now omunye ukhomba omunye esweni omunye uvikela iso lakhe. Akusena order, akusena thando lwangempela. We don't have this thing yokuthi siyathandana. Uza ne-experience yakho leyo oza nayo ngayo lewe bakhethe ngakhona, and then wena uzoyisebenzisa la kulo budlelwane bamanje ngomuntu naye olimele kwayena naye unezakhe ezimlimazile usadila ngazo uzitshela ukuthi you know what, I have come to somebody who's gonna love me and actually understand me. When instead of you to give her that, now you are fighting your own demons. Now akekho kunakayo ngoba nalo usalwisana nezakhe. So there's no longer love, pure love. That's why manje women date for money, men date for sex. You understand?
That's it.
And so that is it. And that's the honest truth. Whether you involve, in fact, in the corner lana I last. You understand?
Yeah.
It's only lust, and then there's money involved, there's sex involved, and that's it. Leyo thando lo leya labo Barry White nabo Boys to Men guys luphelile. Lo aphela udala.
Alusekho.
We understand that. So that's it. And that's the honest truth. There's nothing else. Abantu besifazana nabo, they are breaking down actually. Based on what the guys have done to them. You understand? So yeah, can we just take a break a bit and then we'll come back to this.
On Ikhono Podcast, pour your thoughts.